First, remove the plastic clips holding the trim down. You can use a special tool to help you with the plastic clips. If you don't have one, you can use a flathead screwdriver instead. Don't panic if you break a clip. They are easy to replace. Next, take off the plastic cover off of the computer by lifting the plastic tab and sliding it off. Undo the 3 bolts and nut that is holding the computer and metal bracket down. You can use a 10mm socket for the 3 bolts. To remove the nut holding down the bracket, you can use a deep 10mm socket or a 10mm open-end wrench. Next, remove the battery cable from the negative battery post before the positive one with a 10mm socket. Next, remove the positive battery cable from the post with a 10mm open-end wrench. Remove the old battery and place the new one in its place. Take off the post protectors off the battery and reattach the battery cables to the positive post first, then the negative one. Reinstall the bracket and computer assembly. Slide the plastic cover back over the computer. Replace the trim and reinsert the plastic clips. Finished. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.